Hey there, it's Kyle from Pest Control again. Haven't did a video in a while, so I figured might as well keep in touch. So right above me there, as you can see, birds were getting in this vent gap here. Customer didn't realize that his vent cover has been missing for a while. So birds have been getting up in there, a lot of nesting. I pulled out an entire garbage bag full of nesting. It's crazy how much you'll see up there. Just got a piece of screening, put some screws and washers. Birds aren't getting in there anymore. Perfect. Right on.